welcome back. Garden lovers, do you have an empty wall and a tight budget? Stop scrolling. Today, we are turning ordinary scrap wood into absolute backyard magic. Get ready to transform a simple discarded pallet into a breathtaking, space-saving vertical garden. Let's dive right into these brilliant upcycling projects that will completely elevate your outdoor space. Welcome to our first project. We are taking an old wooden pallet and transforming it into a stunning vertical garden. By attaching pieces of repurposed aluminum rain gutters across the sturdy wooden slats, you create perfect, deep troughs. We filled these unique tiers with vibrant, trailing petunias in shades of purple and pink. Watch how the bright green foliage cascades beautifully downward under the warm sunlight, bringing incredible life and gorgeous color to your beautiful backyard space. For this next idea, we bring a touch of rustic charm to the lawn. We securely fastened clear glass mason jars directly to the pallet wood using heavy-duty industrial metal pipe clamps. Then we planted lush, flourishing green ferns inside every single glass jar. When the golden hour sunlight hits the setup, the glass catches the light perfectly. It creates an incredibly peaceful and enchanting atmosphere right in your garden, mixing raw wood with delicate, natural beauty. Next up is a highly textured and deeply organic approach to gardening. We took heavy-duty burlap coffee sacks, complete with their vintage branding, and stapled them across the sturdy pallet frame to form deep planting pockets. The rough, fibrous texture of the recycled burlap provides an amazing contrast against the smooth, vibrant green leaves of the large hostas planted inside. Placed right on the edge of a manicured lawn, it stands as a brilliant statement piece. Here is a wonderfully bright and functional idea for your backyard space. We mounted several old metal kitchen colanders onto the vertical pallet wall. Painted in glossy shades of red, yellow, and turquoise, they instantly pop against the weathered wood. The best part is that the colander holes provide natural, perfect drainage for the bright daytime blooming marigolds and zinnias we planted. It is a highly creative, colorful addition that truly brings joy to any outdoor area. For a remarkably simple yet highly effective setup, look at this canvas shoe organizer project. We took a heavy-duty, beige canvas pocket organizer and suspended it directly from the top horizontal beam of our standing pallet frame. Each spacious pocket is now securely packed with rich soil, hosting flourishing trailing ivy and beautiful, varied herbs. The natural, coarse canvas texture looks absolutely fantastic against the distressed pallet wood under the bright, clear daytime sunshine in the garden. This woven basket stack introduces an absolutely wonderful rustic element into the landscape. We carefully cut old wicker baskets in half and securely mounted the flat sides straight onto the tall vertical pallet backbone. Now, they are completely overflowing with incredibly vibrant, colorful zinnias and lovely trailing petunias. The beautiful texture of the aged wicker brilliantly contrasts with the fresh, soft petals of the flowers, creating a truly charming and welcoming display right on the green grass. Get ready for a uniquely clever upcycling idea using old clothing. We took the sturdy back pockets from recycled denim jeans and riveted them firmly onto the vertical wooden planks of our weathered pallet wall. The mixing of light wash and dark indigo denim creates a fantastic patchwork aesthetic. These tough, durable pockets are surprisingly perfect for holding small, flourishing spider plants. It is highly functional, visually interesting, and adds wonderful fabric texture to your outdoor setting. Here is a remarkably efficient way to grow fresh fruit right in your backyard. We built a vertical strawberry tower using a thick, upcycled PVC pipe, which is perfectly stabilized by a strong pallet wood base. By cutting staggered planting holes all along its length, we created homes for beautiful strawberry plants. Under the warm daylight sun, you can easily see the bright red fruits and delicate white blossoms thriving. It maximizes your vertical space brilliantly. For a bright and playful design, we repurposed standard plastic automotive and kitchen funnels. By using simple metal brackets, we mounted these glossy red, yellow, and blue funnels directly onto the vertical pallet screen wall. They work flawlessly as compact little planters. The natural funnel shape provides amazing drainage for the bright morning glories and trailing geraniums planted inside. It is a highly creative, visually appealing concept that brings genuine character to any cottage garden setup. This project perfectly combines rustic woodwork with intricate bohemian artistry. We utilize strong, horizontal pallet wood slats to serve as a rigid, dependable anchor frame. From there, we hung beautiful handcrafted cotton macrame plant hangers. Several pots containing lush trailing pothos and delicate string of pearls hang gracefully at different levels. The detailed, intricate macrame knots and the raw, organic grain of the upcycled pallet would look absolutely stunning together under the warm backyard sunlight. Our final idea is a brilliantly functional self-watering drip irrigation system. We cut open the tops of empty plastic milk jugs and mounted them in a smart zigzag pattern directly onto the robust vertical pallet wall. Gravity effortlessly pulls water from the top jug, hydrating the trailing lobelia and creeping thyme planted inside each level. The highly utilitarian plastic perfectly contrasts with the rustic wood backdrop, creating a truly fantastic and sustainable garden feature. And there you have it. We just turned a basic wooden pallet into a gorgeous, eco-friendly vertical garden using simple upcycled materials around the house. From burlap pockets to hanging mason jars, maximizing your growing space has never been easier or more creative. If you found these ideas inspiring, please hit that like button, subscribe to Kira Style Garden, and comment below with your favorite project.